Hello everybody, welcome to this session on Introduction to Machine Learning. Okay, in this session we will understand what is the meaning of machine learning. The agenda of this session is as follows. First of all, we will understand what is machine learning and what are the types of machine learning techniques available to make the machines to learn. Now let us understand what is machine learning. Okay, as the term tells, it is a machine learning. It is a learning done by the machines. That is how to make the machines to learn by themselves without the help of the human being or with the minimum help of the human being. Okay, we have got already two types of programming techniques like conventional programming techniques, and another one is machine learning programming techniques. Okay, in conventional programming techniques, the input will be a program and also will provide a data. That is, program and data is given, and finally with the help of the program, which will accept the data and it will do some processing and it will results with some output. But in case of machine learning, okay, we will have results. Okay, we will have results and we will have data also, and the output will be a program. Okay, output will be a program, and it is a logic or it is a executable statements which makes that machines to learn by itself. See, formally machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to learn automatically, and it improves its learning capability from experience without being explicitly programmed. That means the machines will start to learn by itself based on the historical data or previous data that is available in the machines. The data itself, we call it is here experience. So the data, it may be in the form of structured data, it may be an unstructured data. If it is an unstructured data, it has to be transformed into structured data, and that structured data will be made used by the machines for learning purpose. And machine learning focuses on the development of the computer programs. The main focus is here to develop the programs which will learn by itself by making use of the data that is available. Now there are three different types of machine learning. Okay, there are three different types based on the mode of the learning by the machines. That is, one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, third one is reinforcement learning. Okay, in supervised learning, as the name itself tells, supervisor will be there, some teacher will be there, a training program will be there. It will teach us that machines how to learn. After learning, it will start to learn. That is, after training is over, for certain period of the time training will take place. After training is over, the machine will start to learn by itself. Okay, the supervised learning makes machines learn explicitly. Data will be with clearly defined output will be given here. That is, data is the input data will be there, and output data will also be there. Based on the input and output data, it will learn. In future, it will go on learning the things. Okay, and it will make a predict based on the history data or already training data, what we call training data. Making use of the training data, it will learn some concepts or some model or some mathematical functions it will learn, or some pattern it will learn. After learning, it will, if you give any new input, it will predict what must be the output. Okay, it resolves classifications and regressions problems. In case of unsupervised learning, in case of unsupervised learning, there is no trainer will not be there. Okay, that is, additional training will not be given, or the training data set will not be there. In such here, there is only inputs will be there. Only input will be available. Only based on the inputs, the machines will understand what must be the output. What must be the output. Okay. For example, if you take a sequence of numbers, say if the input is 2, I will give the say input is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, therefore it will understand that if 2, 4, 6, 8, what must be the output? That is, the numbers are even numbers. Okay, the numbers are even numbers. Like this, it will understand by using some mathematical domain knowledge. However, here unsupervised learning, the machines has to be made to know some mathematical related models. It will be making use of some mathematical related models. Based on that, it will study the features that is available in the data sets, and it will predict what must be the output. Okay, here only the input data will be there. A set of fruits will be given, but it know what is the meaning of fruits, what is apple, what is banana, what is guava. Like this, it know the different types of the fruits, and it will identify which fruit is present in the basket. Okay, that is called unsupervised learning. Here unsupervised learning is a cluster based problems. Okay, machine understand the data based on the pattern that is available in the data or structure available in the data, and it will evaluation is qualitative or indirect evaluations. Okay, and does not predict or find anything specific here. Okay, it is a generic, it does not predict any specific things here. And third type is reinforcement learning. Okay, reinforcement learning is a type of learning where it has got, that is it will receive the it will understand the learning based on the reward that it will get. Suppose a machine will start to learn, it will do some actions, and based on that actions it will get some reward like positive reward or negative reward. If it gets a positive reward, it will understand that whatever the action that it has performed is correct, and it will remember and it will stores that things, and it will continue to do that. Suppose if it gets negative reward, in such cases it will understand, it will once again explore what things it has to learn, and it will learn in proper direction unless it will get the positive reward. It will try to make a maximum reward. Okay, now in detail here, this is an example what is supervised learning. In supervised learning you can see that the input data is there, set of fruits. Okay, and annotations will be there. These are the apples. I will give some 5 apples initially at the timing of training period. 5 apples will be given, and it will understand what is the meaning of apple. Then I will bring a new apple here. I will give a new apple. It may be of different shape and size. In such cases it will make use of the previous learning, and it will predict that it is an apple. This is a supervised learning. Okay, this is also an example for supervised learning. It will predict whether it is banana or whether it is not a banana. Okay, like this, it will understand which one is banana or which one is apple. Okay, now in case of unsupervised learning, you can see that there is no annotations will not be there, label data will not be there. Simply a input data is given, and it has to classify that into different category. It has classified into 3 different categories based on this facial features. Okay, category 1 Donald, category 2 Mickey, okay, and category 3 is Tom. Okay, like this it will identify based on the features. Then reinforcement, as already told here, reward, it will based on the rewards. In the first case it want to extinguish this fire. Directly it will go to the fire and try to stop, but it will get burnt. Then it will get negative points, and it is a next time it will try to avoid this. Okay, these are the different techniques. The summary of this supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. In first cases there will be a input as well as output, and there will be training. We will have training data set. In second case we will have only the inputs, and it has to predict the output. And in the third case, the input output will be there based on the actions. Whenever based on the input, it will do some actions, and it will get a reward, say positive reward or negative reward. Based on that it will predict the output, and it will keep on learning unless it will get positive reward. Okay, this is about machine learning, introduction to machine learning and different types of machine learning. Okay, thank you all. Happy learning.